Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Me is Shimsha, clinical psychologist here. Today we will discuss a new topic of psychology, which is memory. As you know, in previous lecture we will discuss about attention and type of attention, different types of attention. Then we will discuss about memory and different types of memory. So viewers, today we will learn about the new topic of psychology, which is memory. So we will discuss about its definition and types of memory. So let's start. The first definition, according to Oxford Dictionary 2009, define memory as a person's power to remember things, the mind regarded as a store of things. Remember the power of mind to remember things. Atkinson 1999 defined a memory as the ability to recall and recognize precious knowledge. Mitchell 2002 defined memory as an active system that receives different information from the senses, organizes, stores its away, and retrieves the information from storage, like long-term memory. So next we will discuss types of memory. There are different types of memory, which is following: sensory memory, milliseconds memory, short-term memory, also called working memory, seconds to minutes memory, long-term memory, minutes to years memory. So discuss first one, process of memory stages. Sensory memory, get input to sensory memory, attention and working on short-term memory, then encoding, retrieval and storage into long-term memory. First one is type is sensory memory. Sensory memory, the very first stage of memory, the point at which information enters the nervous system through the sensory memory. Capacity, everything that can be seen at one time. Duration, 200 to 500 milliseconds after an item is perceived. The ability to look at an item to remember what it looked like with just a second of observation or memorization is an example of sensory memory. Sensory memory forms automatically without attention or interpretation. Attention is needed to transfer information to working memory. So this is sensory memory process and definition. Now we will discuss about short-term memory. Short-term memory, also called working memory, this memory system in which information is held for a brief period of time while being used. Duration of short-term memory is at least from 12 to 30 seconds without rehearsal. Example of short-term memory: dialing a phone number and having no idea what number you dialed. You are using a new number and can't find the redialant. Cramming for an exam. Afterward, you have no idea what you study. Short-term memory is repeatable and interference. For example, if counting is interrupted, has to start over. How to increase short-term memory? Memory capacity can be increased through this process: chunking, maintenance, rehearsal. These are two processes for increasing the capacity of short-term memory. Chunking is bits of information are combined into meaningful units and chunks so that more information can be held in short-term memory. Easier to remember, for example 4, 8, 3, 7, 9, 2, 5, 1, 6. Then we will make a group of these letters: 4, 8 and 3, 7, 9 and 2, 5, 6, 5, 1 and 6. These are three chunks of different letters. Okay. Maintenance, rehearsal, mental and verbal repetition of information allow information to remain in work memory longer than usual, 20 to 30 seconds. We will rehearsal of one word or one thing's repetition mode, so we will learn these things. Okay, this one is method of short-term memory for increasing capacity. Now we will discuss about long-term memory. Long-term memory is a system of memory in which all the information is placed to be kept for use permanently for after use. Long-term memory can be days, months, years, or decades. This question is more of being able to find information you had stored and now used to able to remember it. Long-term memory transfer information from short-term memory to long-term memory. Repetition, organization information, connecting information to previous known information. These are some process which is done in memory. Then this information is permanently stored in long-term memory. Hope you understand this topic very well. Now we will wind up this topic and meet in next video with next topic. Allah Hafiz.